Hello everybody. So today we'll learn about the exception handling. We'll learn what an exception is first. An exception is a problem that arises during the execution of a program. So the exception handling, it provides a way to transfer the control from one part of a program to another. For example, divide by 0 is an exception. So we have three specialized keywords which are used for this exception handling. The first one is the try block. The try represents a block of code that throws the exception. Next is the catch block. The catch represents a block of code that is executed when a particular exception is thrown. Throw is used to throw an exception but doesn't handle itself. This is the general syntax. The actual code is written inside the try block. And if there is an exception, it throws the exception. And the exception is caught inside the catch block. And it is handled inside the catch block. We'll learn about the advantages and disadvantages. So let us compare it with the traditional method. So in the traditional method, we use if-else for this purpose. It gets mixed up with the normal flow, making the code less readable and maintainable. The try and catch block, it separates it from the normal flow. And it makes the code as easily understandable, and it saves the resource leaks also. Okay, we'll understand with the example now. Okay, now let me show you about the try catch throw exception handling. Okay. Machine root IO string using namespace std. Okay, now inside the main function, we are going to write the try catch block. So the actual code to be checked is written inside the try block. So here what we are going to do is we are going to check if the age is greater than or equal to 18. So in that case, we are going to print the messages access granted. So if the age is less than 18, then we are going to throw an exception. Okay. Inside the try, I am giving the age. Now I'm assigning it as 15 so that it should throw the exception. Okay. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then out granted. Okay. In the else part, I'm going to throw the exception. And in the section here, back, I'm going to print I'm going to print access denied. Okay. Now let me save exception.cpp. Okay. Okay, now let me compile and execute the code. G++ exception.cpp exception. Yes. See, I have got the answer as access denied as the age was assigned with the answer 15, the value 15. Okay. Hope you're all clear with the concept of exception handling. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you.